In this video, I will show you how to calculate percent changes in Microsoft Excel. So very simple and easy way guys, you can use this formula. Enter the equal sign, then select the second value. So firstly opening bracket, then second value minus first value, closing bracket, slash, and this first value. Press the enter. If you not get this type of result, so click here. If you not see the percentage, so select your number and percentage and right click on it, then format cells, and here you can increase the decimal like 2. Click on OK. Now drag and drop like this. So this is the percent changes in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.